welcome to my new channel. In today's video, I will be talking about three things. A little bit about myself, the reason of this video, and what to expect from this channel. So without further ado, let's jump right into it, shall we? So a little bit about myself. My name is Kaylar. I am a full-time work from home mom, a boy mom at that, of a very smart, outgoing, full of life little boy named Kai, who loves all things nature. And I can't wait for you guys to get to meet him because I think you'll love him. He's a character himself. Um, things that I like to do on my free time: I love to binge watch K dramas. I love to create content. I love spending time with my family and friends. And I really love being a mom. That's something I really take pride in because, again, I am a first time mom, and I'm learning this whole mom role every day. I mean, there wasn't a manual on how to be the best mom, but I do my best, I must say. Um, what else? Oh, I am from Pensacola, Florida, born and raised. I now reside in the state of Texas, where I have been since 2006. I've completed high school here. I did a little bit of college, where I also met a lot of amazing people along the way that I still is in contact with to this day. So it's very few people, like a handful, literally. Um, I love to travel. I love to experience different foods, culture, people, and things of that nature. I'm a very outdoorsy person. I love summer and spring season. So when I mean outdoorsy, I love water activities. Again, your girl from Florida, so the beach has always been like one of the biggest highlights growing up. I love the sound of the ocean and the feels of the sand between my toes. You know. What else? My favorite colors are red and black. Um, I don't have a particular favorite food, but I do have a favorite sweets. And lately I've been into chocolate chips. So I like chocolate chip cookies for my sweets. Nowadays, food don't be fooding, so that's why I really don't have a favorite food. So that kind of wraps up a little bit about myself. Now I want to bring you into part two of this video, which is the reason. The reason of this YouTube channel is to build a community and a safe space for other full-time work from home moms who are homeschooling. I want to know, how do you balance work and life? What are your experiences? What works for you? What don't work for you? What resources do you have that you can share? What advice do you have that you can give? Again, I want this to be a space for us to all come together and face any obstacles along the way that we might find challenging, especially as new beginning homeschool moms like myself. So, if this is the type of content that you like, oh, let me tell you, friend, you're in the right place. And again, feel free to drop your knowledge and resources and advice right here, because your girl could use a little help. It's still a little bit overwhelming for me. I am still doing a lot of research and a lot of behind the scene work that you guys will see later on down the line, which brings me to what the next topic is: what to expect from my YouTube channel. What can you expect from this channel is really just seeing the real in life process of this journey. Like, the highs, the lows, the what work, what don't work, and all the real behind the scenes that I'm going to be doing to prepare myself for this transition. Um, right now, he is in the second semester of public school right now. So I'm looking to officially unenroll him in spring so we can kind of get, a head start in the flow of things, because by the summer, I want to be full blown on transitioned into homeschooling him full time. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. So that is also some amazing content that you guys will get to see during this whole journey and process. that's going on. So I'm really, really, really excited. Kai is really, really excited. And like I said, it's just an exciting journey. I'm trying not to be so stressed and overwhelmed about, the whole thing, because again, it can really be, especially trying to, you know, come up with a curriculum. But, that's something you guys will see what I have up my sleeve as far as that, if I do pick a curriculum, and what I'm going to do. So, again, friends, you're in the right spot if this is the type of content for you. I'm going to need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Also, hit that notification button so you can stay alert of when I post, which I will be posting every Sunday at 12 o'clock p.m. noon Central Standard Time, my time. So, until next video, you guys, I hope you enjoy. I didn't want to make this video too long. And yeah, stay tuned and I will see you guys next week. Until next time, bye.